Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, you're welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a very clean tongue. Now, for you to have a healthy and fresh breath, you must have a clean tongue, okay? For some people, I can't notice that they wash their teeth, their mouths without brushing their tongue really well, and then when they speak, man, the breath will be very offensive, and you'd be like, have you not brushed? They're like, yeah, I brushed, but the mistake they used to do is that they don't brush their tongue. And yes, I'm going to also be showing you a natural homemade remedy that will help you to brush, and that will also help you to Google your mouth, okay? And then the 2-in-1 is going to help you to maintain a fresher breath, a smiling teeth, and a whiter teeth, okay? So do thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. And now let me take you into the video. To get a fresh breath, you're going to be needing to use this. This is called garden egg. That's the only name I know it to be called, okay? Now garden egg can be purchased in an African store. That's if you are outside Africa, okay? Now this helps so much to give your breath a fresh breath. Yeah, mixing it with other ingredients would work so well. So this is how we're going to be preparing this garden egg to get a fresh breath. At first, we're going to be removing this. Actually going to be cutting it into 2. Yeah. Then we're going to be blending it or grating it, okay? I'm going to be pressing it so that we can make use of it really well. So to get the juice out of this, you're going to be putting just a little bit of water, okay, because there is not much water in garden egg. After doing that, then you have to stir it, and then we'll get the juice out of this. So to get the juice out of that, we're going to be getting a strainer, and then we're going to be straining this all out. I'm going to extract it all out. And this is it. This is the juice, okay? The juice of the garden egg usually looks brownish. It is very well perfect. When you have a take of it, you're going to see how it's just going to freshen your breath, okay? So the next ingredients we're going to be needing for this will be bicarbonate of soda. Now baking soda is a great exfoliating remedy. It works in whitening up the teeth and removing plaque tartar, and it also heals dental decay, but it has to be used once in a week, okay, to prevent manage your gum. So we're gonna be using in a smaller quantity. 1 teaspoon of baking soda in this will be perfect. So I'm going to be putting that in, and then going to be stirring it Now when you stir this, the brownness of this garden egg is going to increase. It's going to be more brown. And then we're going to be making use of Colgate toothpaste. Okay, to make this foamy and works really well for the gum and for the teeth, we're going to be using Colgate toothpaste to add it up. So I'm going to be pressing in a reasonable quantity of it. And then we're just going to be making sure to mix it and mix it very well. So we're just going to be stirring it like that, and then when you use it, it's going to be foamy. And this is basically what you need to get a fresher breath. So what we're going to do is to turn this into a cup, because we're just going to Google it, and then we're going to be needing the particles in this to brush the teeth. So this is what we're going to use to Google the mouth for a fresher breath, and this is what you're going to be needing to use to clean your teeth. Okay guys, so here are the two ingredients, and this is what you're going to use to Google your mouth, okay, for a fresher breath. This is how it looks like, brownish, and these particles are what you're going to be using to clean your teeth. Yeah, okay. So the particles comprises of the garden egg, the baking soda, and the toothpaste. Now you're going to grab this into your brush, and then you're going to brush your teeth with it. So you're going to brush. Make sure to brush everywhere, because an healthy mouth is an healthy teeth. It's also a clean gum and also a clean tongue. So you clean everywhere and then you brush your tongue. Very, very important that you have to brush your tongue. Okay? Now after brushing your tongue, then you can use this and then you Google it in your mouth. Pour that out. Now you can Google this 3 times if you have much of the liquid. Now look at my tongue. Really clean, and my teeth usually white, because I take care of my teeth every week. Okay, I use this remedy, take care of my teeth every week, and it does all of the work and all of the magic for me. Okay, so after you've done this, you're good to go. Once in a week, and you don't leave it in your mouth for too long, and you're gonna have a healthy dental, and remove all of those plaque, and then your teeth is going to be healthy. Now this is actually natural. Yeah, it's going to help you so much. That, and you are going to be loving your teeth. Your dental is going to be sparkling with a fresh breath, okay, and with a white teeth. It also helps for dental plaque. Okay, use it once a week, and you're gonna be loving it. So that's it. If you did enjoy watching the video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless, and bye guys.